Hi, do you have pain in your foot and you've got no idea what's going on? You've tried so many different shoes, you've tried cold laser and so many different therapies and still have that pain? I've got a suggestion for you. I'm Dr. Shakib and I'm doing a workshop on Saturday about foot pain, plantar fasciitis. So in this workshop, at every hour, I'll cover different things related to plantar fasciitis. So I'll talk about the biomechanics of proper movement. Believe it or not, that's the source of your issue. We'll talk about different exercises you can do on your own, how to tape it so you can move on. We'll talk about the subtle things that your body's communicating to you as you're suffering from pain and as you're treating it effectively. So if you're interested in taking control in your own hands and take care of the foot pain, this workshop's for you. Take me up on my offer, sign up, and I'll see you at the workshop. Take care.